Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Rizky Fadila with name 0192. Here I will explain a little about the PPT that I make, namely social group and social dynamic in Surabaya. So, Surabaya is the capital city of East Java and the second largest metropolitan city in Indonesia. It's super famous for its multicultural community and diverse social groups. Their main activity here are trade, education, and modern lifestyle. Pretty cool, right? And the next, there is social groups and dynamic in Surabaya. They are different social group, like the first professional groups such as street vendor, online driver, and office worker. But the documentation I put in slide behind because it is not enough here. And the second, there is cultural group like the Arek Surabaya community and Chinatown. And the third, there is religious group including Islamic study group and interfaith community. This group interact a lot in various activity, creating active social dynamic, especially in collaboration. And the next, there is social stratification and mobility. In Surabaya, people are divided into their main social class. The first, there is lower class, informal workers like street vendors, and the second, there is middle class, small business owner and employees, and the third, there is upper class like entrepreneurs and political elites. An example of social mobility, elaborate child can grow into a small business owner, track education, pretty inspiring, right? And the next, there is cultural ecology and adaptation. Surabaya's people are super addictive. For example, they embrace modernization, like using online transportation, and the second, but at the same time they still prefer local culture like the traditional dish rujak timur, and the third, basically they try to balance between traditional value and modern lifestyle. And the next, there is gender and development issue. Here's how gender issue look in Surabaya. The first, women are being employed, especially in small business like UMKM, micro and small enterprise. And the second, but gender inequality is still a challenge, especially in formal sector. And the third, the government support women talk program like skill training for housekeepers to help them be more independent. And the next, there is social change and development. Surabaya has undergone a lot of social change. For example, the first traditional transportation like pedicab is being replaced by online motorcycle taxi, and the second, e-com is slowly taking over traditional market, and the third, digitalization has both positive and negative impact, making this easier but sometimes weakening social bonds. And relevant sociological theories, some sociological theories that explain what's happening. The first, there is social interaction theory, explain the dynamics between social group. And the second, social stratification story, talks about economic and social class. And the third, there is cultural adaptation theory, show how communities adjust to modernization, and the fourth, there is social change theory, Emil Durkheim perspective on modernization impact. And the last, there is recommendation to make things better. Here are some suggestions. The first, encourage collaboration between social groups to build harmony, and the second, strengthen women's empowerment program to reduce gender inequality, and the third, create policies that protect local culture while embracing modernization, and the fourth or the last, educate people on the importance of balance traditional and innovation. So, sekian dari saya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.